If your 2017 Honda CRV refuses to start, we will walk through the most common electrical and mechanical culprits right now. Data shows that nearly 85% of no-start issues on this generation are caused by simple electrical faults. Let us break down the diagnostic steps to get you back on the road. Start by testing your battery voltage and ensuring the terminal connections are free of corrosion and tightened down securely. Don't forget to check your key fob battery or the brake pedal switch, as these prevent the ignition circuit from closing. If you hear a single loud click but no engagement, your starter motor may have reached the end of its life. Try the basic electrical resets yourself, but leave heavy mechanical work like fuel pump replacement to a certified technician. Repair costs vary wildly, with simple relays being cheap, while a full starter replacement will require a larger budget. Keep a basic multimeter and an OBD-I scanner in your toolkit to verify system health before buying expensive parts. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal before touching any electrical components under the hood. Remember that the simplest solution is often the right one, so check those connections thoroughly before you assume the worst. If these steps helped you start your CRV, hit that like button and subscribe for more maintenance guides.